I'll play that one.
All right, let's do it.
I'm trying to find something lower.
Yeah, sure.
She works the night.
Yeah, if I can find.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Tucker Sprinkle. I got two NSV 412s on a Terra Space 5K each, half ohm. Yin long 75 amp hour.
Okay. Nice. And is this box got a port on the side, or?
Yeah, it's a side port, rubber side, 8-inch arrow.
I'll go see it after. All right.
32.
Nice. Looks good. Have you done some tests? It looks like you got some stuff done in the trunk.
Yeah.
Trying to stop the flex?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
There's some steel welded to the trunk lid. It's a brand new trunk lid.
Really?
I blown two.
Oh, man.
I ripped two apart.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Can I come in? You have to unlock it, yeah. Oh, nice. PRV doors.
So this one weighs about 100 pounds.
Is it louder with the subs forward or back for you? Have you tried both?
Forward.
Forward?
Yeah.
Okay.
This car's forward.
Okay.
Port to the side.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Nice.
Fresh recall.
Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Ain't much to see.
That's all right.
Hey, lift the trunk lid up. Yeah, it's all steel under here.
Did a lot of work. So there's the port. Is it an 8?
Yeah, 8-inch air port.
Nice. All the way pushed back, I guess, is a little louder.
Yeah, definitely. This box sticks like this touches on each end.
It does?
It's tight, yeah.
Yeah, it's tight fit. Oh, I see it, yeah. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the like button. Enjoyed that quick walkthrough we just got. Thanks for the thumbs up as well from Tucker at the Sundown Audio Show. Dual 12-inch subs in the trunk, and it wasn't fully walled off. You could definitely tell his vehicle was pretty much getting tore apart just because of so much pressure. 8-inch air port there on the left. I kind of didn't see how far back the depth of that port was, but it definitely was playing the lows, and he actually said he tweaked his port where it was playing a little higher, but it still played pretty low, probably the upper 20 hertz range. Low 30s it did best. Lithium bank in the back. All of the other amplifier and stagings in the front. I like the layout of the box with the subs forward into the cabin, trunk to the side. Seems a lot of SPL people like to do port side, trunk system with the subs forward, or you just wall it off at the trunk line with the port lined off with the box. But you don't always have room to fit a port and the subwoofers at the trunk line, especially when you're doing 212s, maybe 210s it's possible. Total of 10,000 watts on 2 12-inch subs, a 2-song demo for the next 5 minutes. Subscribe if you haven't for daily car audio videos and enjoy this demo. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
Murder on cover. 20 years in the same thing from a lifeline. Bodies fucking till the dinner every night time. Smoking that dope on the floor, let me drop. Open the door, don't fuck the drop. Strike the box, we lock it whatever. Drag you outside, let you rock. Live for the lesson. My birth was an error. Locked in my room, full black balls, tied the noose. Don't resolve, fuck with trap, rap to shoot up till I fall. Murder on call with the 5-9. 20 years in the scene like a lifetime. I'm hanging from a lifeline. Why these fuckers chillin' dinner every night time? Smoking that dope off the floor, let me go.
You already did. Okay. Already done. We do this a lot. Can I see the back, man?
Yeah.
Oh, you got one more?
Yeah, I'll play that one.
All right, let's do it.
I'm trying to find something lower.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, if I can find something.
By the water, she's gonna stray so far.
It's all good, man.
She just wants to lie.
Certain frequencies you'll hair trick. You just have to know the right song and the right meters or the right time, and it'll be perfect.
I ain't tried it since I raised it too. Yeah. This fresh recall.
Thank you for the demo.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man.
No problem.
Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.